Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to archive notes in Easy Notes in order to keep them for future reference. You just have to go to the app and then click on the three dots in the top right corner. Then click on Select. This way you can choose more notes. And then click on Archive here, and after that, if you are sure, then click on Yes. Now you can find these notes if you go to the top left corner here and find Archive. They are here. I hope it will be useful for you. Have a nice day.